and then take a decisive turn. It is a very strong resistance and Nifty plans to go up. We gave the Knoxville and America. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Dr. Seema Jain, and today we're going to talk about in this video Nifty, Bank Nifty and some stocks that I have selected. So if I have a look at the Nifty's graph, right, we're going to analyze from a few days back. Starting from 19th of August or maybe starting from 17th of August, have a look at the day of 18th August. It made a double top. And on next day, which is 19th of August, it made a triple top. Three tops consecutively, and then next day gap down opening. And then Nifty open gap down but went up. Again, there was an indecisiveness in the market. Market open gap up, came down. And again, market open gap up and indecisiveness. Next day, market open gap down. It went down, then bounced back. From lower levels, it recovered. Then it opened gap up and went up. Have a look at these candles. Just have a look at these candles. Completely, it has overcome the indecisiveness in the market. Just see here, this indecisiveness was actually demolished by this candle. So, but again today there was a gap down opening. Market opened and tried to go up, and it kind of didn't manage to go up. Market is again in an indecisive zone. Now, by looking at the whole thing, what I understand, the level of 17,450 is very important. The low of this candle and high of this candle both are very important. In case low is broken tomorrow or in a day, there's a possibility that market may further come down to about 17,250. In case high is broken, because there was some positive sentiments with respect to the GST and everything, that is why market, in spite of opening gap down, did not further go down, rather went up, but that it experienced a resistance at the higher level. As it went up, it experienced a resistance at the higher level, indicates that there is some kind of pressure Nifty definitely is experiencing. So crossing over today's high, which is 71771 is very important, and crossing yesterday's high is going to be extremely important, which is 17,846. So market has been range bound today, that you can see it went up, came down, then went up. So there is an indecisiveness in the market. So let's understand this with respect to, I have opened up the 8th September 2022, the open interest of Nifty. If you just have a look at this, there has been some unwinding that has happened at the level of 17,300. Some unwinding in the put has happened at the level of 17,350. And there has been call writing which is increased at the level of 17,600 and 17,500. So definitely 17,600 looks like a strong resistance, whereas 17,500 looks like a strong support. So market may remain a little bit more indecisive for a few days and then take a decisive turn after some time. So I right now I'm not looking into the factors which are like fundamental factors. I'm just looking at the price action. Now let's have a look at the Bank Nifty. How's Bank Nifty performing? Here is Bank Nifty's future. Bank Nifty is actually, if I have a look at it, have a look at Bank Nifty. Double top, it formed on 18th and 19th, and 30th, which is the day before, and today again Bank Nifty formed a very strong resistance zone. So that means 39,800 is a very strong resistance zone. This zone has to be crossed in case Bank Nifty plans to go up. Otherwise, this is going to behave as a strong barrier. Okay, and there has been a price rejection, means in case Bank Nifty goes below 38,600, there could be a further fall that can be experienced. Now let's have a look into the smaller time frame. What happened in Bank Nifty in the smaller time frame? Almost like Nifty, only similar stand. It went up till the resistance level of yesterday, then it came down and then it further went up. So that was how Bank Nifty performed. Now, what kind of stance does Bank Nifty has? Let's have a look at Bank Nifty also for the next expiry. So Bank Nifty looks much stronger than with respect to Nifty. If you see, there has been put writing increased put writing at all these levels, which is 39,300, 39,000. Although there has been call writing, which has been shifted till about 39,000. Okay, so there is huge call writing at 39,000. So 39,000 is both support and resistance for Bank Nifty. And if I really look at the highest interest, it is at 40,000 and then 40,000, 39,500. In one of the video, I have explained you why these 500 strike prices are so important. If you really remember it, write down in the comment box why these 500 multiples are so important. Okay, so even today, the call option call writing has increased at 39,500 levels, although there has been an addition of put writing as well. But if I look into the put writing is highest at the 38,000 level. Otherwise, at any other given level, call writers are more aggressive. That means there is bearish trend for sure. Most of the people think that the trend is going to be bearish. So that's in place. Now let's look into some stocks that are there. So when I'm discussing it with you, means just be careful when you are trading. Maybe you can trade stock specific. They may give you good returns. So some stocks that I have on my radar are India Mart. First one is India Mart. This is a stock that looks good to me, ready for a breakout, and there has been quite nice built up happening in this particular stock. So if it goes above this particular value, which is 4510, right now it closed at about 4488. In case it goes above 4510, we can definitely look for a good buying opportunity. Then the other stock that I find looking good is Hero Moto. Hero Moto have given a few days back in my channel, and today again huge amount of buying has come. A good entry again can be above 2892. Let me just show you. I have given a buy in this is where I've given a buy on 18th of August. No, I don't want to go that back. Here, this is when I've given a buy in on Friday. I've given a buy on Hero Moto at 2850. Today, Hero Moto made a high of 2880. So above 2892, Hero Moto looks good for a buying opportunity. Just simple reason that today there has been a price rejection and kind of a huge move that has come up. It looks good to me for a buy. And the last stock that's on my radar is Indus Tower. Indus Tower, why is it looking good? Have a look at it. The stock has been consolidating at this level, consolidated at the level of 192, and twice it has made open equal to low at the level of 195. If the stock goes above 202 or 203, we will get a very good opportunity. A clear entry is going to come about 203. So in case you find it tomorrow crossing, or in case you want to take a small profit, then above 201, 202 to 1 point you can definitely get. But if you're really looking for a long entry, then 203 is going to be a better price of entry. So these are the three stocks that I'm going to keep on radar, but the best stocks can only be selected in the live market, and that is what we teach to our students by doing live trading with them. They exactly know which stock is about to give a breakout. So in case you want to get in touch with my team, you can go to my website, talk on this number, or you can go to About Us and you can meet my entire team. Only and only speak to these people. They are the only people who will be able to guide you through properly, right? You just speak to these people only. They will be able to help you find the right path, right? Which course to enroll or what to do, or if you are stuck up with the course or any stock, call up my team. They will be able to help you. So with this, I'll be signing off and see you in the live market. See you in the live market from 10 to 11, where we do live trading. Today we gave Astral in the live market. We gave Inox Wind in the live market. We gave RPG Life in the live market. We gave a lot of good stocks, and we gave Schaeffler in the live market. So do join us for the live market, live trading every day from 10 to 11 and make good money. See you there. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.